Hello Ji, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chandel Saab. Today first Python programming lecture day first. This lecture today only introduce myself and how to install Python and basic detail what cover this course and which skill you have already requirement and what prerequisite requirement. Now let's start this course. Please watch full lecture and this course including AI future using your Python programming code. And this is complete course basic to advanced level. Let's start. Hello G. Day first Python program. What we covered today. Today I have introduced Python programming detail. So now discuss. First of all, I am introduce Python programming, which programming language very important role play. Okay, I'm just connecting my internet connection. Okay, now we will then. And now my you can search TIOBE index. You scroll down and see this TIOB index for December 2025. This is index. This index use which programming language currently trend. Okay, so in Delhi, you can go slow down and see. You can see only one of the number one language Python program. Rating 23.6% and decrease only 0.26% minus only on C and C++ Java. Basically, all top 5 language are there. They are top 5 most very powerful language. You learn these top 5 language very helpful your future time. And basically Python programming currently very trend. You know already AI day by day technology change. This Python programming already includes some future used to AI. You can see this chart. This chart day by day grow. You see 2022 not growing, but 2004 is starting growing continuously growing. And see this 2026 trend. Now this year 25, but you can see this corner is November 1 2025 index 23.7% decrease. Okay, only 23.60% decrease, but you can see this August 2025 increase. I don't know what reason decrease, maybe reason of C and C++, some variant and some programming language disturbance and changing some. So, but now this time very trending Python programming. Okay, I'm introduce you Python programming. So first of all, you need some software to start Python programming basic to advanced level. Okay, you can go. Okay, okay. Now I'm opening Google. You can go to your Chrome browser, any browser you can open, and directly search here Python programming. Okay, you can go this website python.org www.python.org. You can just click and open it www.python.org. Okay, now Python programming page open. You can directly go and you can see this program. You can scroll down. You can go to download section and simply download Python installer manager. This downloads latest version of for Windows. You can scroll down and see this software version. You can download any one software version, but I suggest you can download this Python 3.14.2. You can just click and your software downloading starting now. You can go download Python install manager. You can just click and download installer. Okay, your Python manager 20.5. You can double tap open, easily open. Okay, you can go and Python environment is installation. But you do not see these tags. These tags automatically translated my German language. I am already converting all my laptop language German language. Reason currently I am learning German language, so now this time I am using German language my laptop. So do not use German language to teach time on installation. You can click and easily installation, new installation. Okay, now this loading and starting by the environment already installation your laptop. So I'm not installing for properly reason. Okay, I'm cut this software. I'm already installation this Python programming software. I just click Python start and easily start. Okay, my Python programming already installation. You can click Python starter and open setting to modify app exchange. Okay, I am already installation Python. Okay, I am yes. You can click Y, enter. Can cut this setting. Okay, now view online to help. No. Okay, your Python installation completed. Okay, just you can click cut and now go to Windows search bar and search here Python. Okay, you can see this is your Python program and just click open here. Oh no, this is a Python complete program. Okay, now I am going and open Python 3.4 here. Yeah, this is your Python programming software. Okay, this is your Python programming software. Okay, now I'm going some notes. These notes I'm provide you. You can help your teaching purpose and revision purpose. Okay, underdot. Okay, I'm entering some program. You can search a calendar program. Import calendar. Enter. I mean print some calendar. Print calendar dot 2026 calendar. I'm printing here and you can see it's a complete calendar print only two code you enter Python programming and print full 12-month calendar easily. You can see this programming language very useful nowadays. How to design a calendar. Today you already learned only two lines code you enter and print calendar. You do not know calendar how to print. This is a demo part. Okay. Now I am basic start simple introduction. Okay. Now I'm holding here. Now go to our notes. Day 1 Python programming only discussion what cover this course. Okay. So now first covering core Python program. Okay. Second we are covering advanced Python. And third, very important role play nowadays data science or AI related modules. We are covering a data science related module. What data science related module? You know already that I say some example is NumPy, Pandas, Okay, NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, and SkyPy, many of those example of Scotland, Skate, and Seaborn. Many of those libraries available using example NLP, easy, etc. Okay, we are covering all those programs. Okay, many students ask question for me, sir, what prerequisite requirement this Python program? No, you already beginner. You start this code. No prerequisite requirement. You do not know about any language. Prerequisite for Python programming? No, no about any programming language before knowledge requirement. No. Okay. And what is required to become a software engineer? Many freshers to become a software engineer. Most of the student thinking I become a data scientist, I become a data engineer, data analytic, but you are fresher, you can start software engineer. Okay, excellent coding standard, coding hacker rank example, etc. Okay, now starting real time application developing for Python program. Where Python use? Where Python use? Python using only many lots of technologies. Okay, real time applications developed by using Python program. Okay, real time application developed by using Python program. Python programming is used to real time develop application. Okay, where and which industry use Python programming? Okay, I'm showing you some text to use to reading here. Python programming we are use very important nowadays. You can see by using Python programming, top world class software develop the following. You can see the application products. First, web application develop Java programming, Java language, some in Oracle, servlet, JSP Spring, ASP.NET, and C is Python program. Python language, .NET and .NET and C. Now currently trend these language. Okay, C as .NET, C as .NET to developing this program. A requirement, only requirement, simple knowledge requirement, already know some Python programming. Okay, okay, now I am already introduce some example. You can see this example, import calendar, Python calendar.calendar. I am introduced another section how to use this programming language. Okay, now I am copy this program and paste our note. Center plus P. Okay, you can see after starting. Okay, now I am telling you Python programming where use. Okay, now second topic start. Second topic where used Python programming. Okay, first use mainly gaming application. Python is used to mainly gaming application now, currently trend. Currently very important role play Python programming, gaming application and AI. AI मतलब example artificial intelligence, machine learning, or deep learning, deep learning, or many of those role play example. A desktop scenario based application, desktop GUI application, example desktop application. You using this application, these are make using the Python programming. Okay, desktop application making use to Python programming language applications. Image processing application, and many etc. Audio, video, and I am saying to you some example to use currently Python programming to develop. Okay, you can see this example. Okay, okay, you can see artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. The fourth is the desktop application scenario. Fifth is image processing application. Seventh is business application. Sixth is text-based application, and many of these. Okay, I mean, story. You can see this example: audio and video application, web scraping, harvesting app application, data visualization, scientific application, X NASA and software development, operating system installation. Okay. Now today introduce only some basic detailed Python programming, how to install Python programming. Next day starting Python basic and basic skills and data type and variable etc. starting. Only today introduce basic Python programming and where use Python programming and where requirement. Okay. Now next lecture, next video coming soon. Now please subscribe my YouTube channel and share. Very important role play Python programming which is advanced level covering and already covering AI features and how to use Python programming. This time already know some of the student Python programming, but this course required AI future includes Python programming. So please watch my full lecture and subscribe my YouTube channel. Coming soon next video.